Okay, so this next example, um, you have problems in your book from your IGA. You're going to have problems 39 through 46, right? And other problems that involve this basic concept. But you're going to use A equals P times B, right? Which is A is the percent of some, right? Of some B, some base. And in your book, they ask you to use this table, which is fine. You're given here P and B, and then solve for A. A is P% of what? I mean, they give you these three possible questions. But instead of kind of memorizing it, I think the easiest way is just to translate it into an equation, since we've solved equations before. Well, linear equations specifically. So if I do, for example, 39. 39, it says the problem is 3 is 60% of what? So again, you can use this box and say it looks like the second one, A is P% of what, right? Where this would be your A is P%, right, of what, and of what would be your B. Or you can say, well, just translate. 3 is means equals. 3 is 60%. Well, we want to write it as a decimal. So 0.6 or 0.60 of what? Well, in mathematics, of means multiplication. So I'm just going to put parentheses. I don't want to write the dot and confuse it with the decimal. Of what? Well, I don't know. Call it X. I mean, you can call it B. It's fine. So then you want to solve for X. So, I mean, using your property of multiplication from chapter 6, I believe, right? You can divide both sides by 6.60, right? Because again, this is a big one. So X is equal to 3 over 0.60. And if you punch that in the calculator, you'll actually get 5. So X is equal to 5. Now, if you don't want to use the calculator, I'm sure most of you do, but you can also do, just to give you alternative ways, let's see, 3, so, or 3 equals, okay, 0.6x. 3 equals, well, 0.6 is the same thing as 6/10, right? And if you reduce 6/10, if you want to reduce, right, you can divide top and bottom by 2, which is 3/5 x. And remember, to solve for x, you can multiply by the reciprocal. And right, this is just, this times this is what, 15 over 15, which is just 1 x, right? This is just 15 over 15x, which is a big 1. And then the right hand side, that's really 5 times 3, 15 over 3, which is 5, which is what we got. Or you can reduce these guys, or you can cancel them out. But you still get x is equal to 5. Okay, so 60% of 5 is 3. So again, translate it to an equation. Again, you're more than welcome to use this, little table here. It's not wrong. I just noticed some students try to memorize this, and if you understand what it says and you can translate it to mathematical notation, then you should be fine. So hopefully that helps. It's just, again, an alternative method to do it.